Alright, I've been working on this thing a little bit. What I've got is a chip here that's powering a screen. I doubt I'll use a screen, I'm just playing with it. But it's hooked to one toggle button, and those are going to a digital pin. And then I have a pulse width out that's currently going. It's at 1.005 milliseconds at 50 hertz, which that happens to be zero throttle. Actually, that's shit, what was the one? Yeah, that's actually reverse. 1.5 is zero throttle. And so if I do a single touch, you know, we've got the 1.5, which is zero throttle. Go ahead and now restart this board like it's been powered up. I've got here a screen going. The screen will tell you things that are going. The button right now is set up. I doubt this is how it's going to stay, but one tap goes to zero speed, zero power, with the pulse width at 1.5, and then long tap goes all the way up to full power, and then a short press and long press goes all the way full reverse. I said that's not how it's going to be made. I'm just practicing here. This is a single module. I'm going to put the program that recognizes the button pushes on one of our radio modules, and I don't know what buttons we'll use, or maybe I'll use a potentiometer, or maybe I'll use a encoder. I'm not sure. Buttons, a combination of. I doubt I'll have a screen. The screen makes a little bit of a dirty signal. It's not a big deal. We'll see. The screen also uses battery power, but this is going to interpret the button pushes and send a digital signal through LoRa, long range, 900 megahertz, and then it's going to get caught by another one of these radios, which will in turn take that digital signal and process it how we want it, and then put it out to pulse width that the VESC reads. I'm going to get this loaded up soon so I can test the range before I go too far and realize that all of this programming isn't going to help, because the real problem is range. Of course, we want something fail-safe and simple, and like I'm not sure if it's going to be encoder that does it with the trigger. Don't really need variable speeds. Once we dial it in, I'm wondering if maybe a trigger that hits buttons, or maybe just, you know, a big button. I don't know. It's something I'll have to think about, but there will be a solution. Alright, I got this one here powered up, you can't tell, run off a battery, and it's sending a signal every 5 seconds to this one. We've got a negative 55 decibel signal strength, running at 915 megahertz, which is legal in USA, at 23 decibel gain, max gain. I'll probably switch this down to 868, which is in USA, but I'm going to set this on top of the car with its little 3-inch wire whip, and I'm going to carry this one down the street to see just how far we get, tweak some settings, see if I can't get any further. But right now, that's kind of the settings that seem like they should do. So we're at 56, 57 decibel gain. But I'm going to go down the street and see how far I get. Alright, I'm starting to get a little bit of intermittent not working. See, it's just listening. Of course, you know, if I get the antenna right. I'm all the way here at the church. It's across from the field we fly out of, and it's kind of raining. I need to run back, I guess, so the other chip doesn't get rained on. But yeah, we're still, I mean, if you're in the air, well, there's 2 or 3 mountains between me and the truck. It's not even line of sight, not even close. You know where this is. But I think this is, we could probably turn the transmit power down and do okay. I'm going to run back. It's starting to sprinkle, and that chip on my car ain't waterproof. So yeah, this half a mile I didn't expect to go this far. Should have got the unicycle, but yeah, these will fucking work, bro. We're on it.